Should Judge Sonia Sotomayor be confirmed as the next Supreme Court justice?
I believe she should. She certainly has the qualifications. She's got a proven record as a very studied, well-versed jurist, and I think she'd make a wonderful Supreme Court justice.
Well, I don't see that she's any less qualified than anybody who's already sitting on the bench.
No, I do not.
Why don't you think so?
Well, I think she got a black eye on that last ruling that was overturned by the Supreme Court. And I don't think that's going to play well.
Yes.
And why?
Because we need another woman on the court. We need more diversity represented up at the Supreme Court level.
What topics would you like to see addressed in Sotomayor's confirmation hearings?
Her apparent preference for racial preferences, I think that's a very scary thing. It seems to be America ought to be race-free, gender-free, and so forth.
Preferably her stance on gun violence, race relations, and just fairness across the board.
Well, I'd like to see a discussion on abortion rights. I'd like to see a discussion on how she feels about capital punishment.
I think they should definitely have that conversation about, when she had mentioned that having a wise Latina on the bench, what did she mean by that, and how is that an asset to the Supreme Court?
Sotomayor's critics say she approaches the law with bias, empathy, and emotion rather than objective legal thinking. Do you agree?
I disagree with that, or else she wouldn't have gotten as high as she's gotten in the justice system.
I would suggest that she would go by the law. If it's been successful in the past and the law has proven to be successful in the past, that's what she should stick to.
I think everybody has some type of personal input into it. As much as you try to say, okay, I'm objective, you're going by what you know and how you feel. That's just real life.
What we try to do is appoint people who are wise and who can set aside their own points of view and satisfy the requirements of the position by being objective, by doing the right thing, applying the law by the letter of the law. And I think she's qualified to do that.